are very common in Chicago, but very rare in Denver.
Yeah, and then the other side has a touch knob.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Doors are a little off. Yeah. And then this has...
Oh look, pit lights are on. Check it out.
Yeah. Let's take a ride.
All right.
And this side is the main panel.
Yeah, these doors are fucky.
Can we go to pH?
Yep.
Nice. This is the first, well actually the first touchscreen I recorded was in Las Vegas.
These go 500 feet per minute.
Nice. That's not too bad.
No,
These used to be Westinghouse?
Yeah, they used to be 350 because they used to be geared.
Yeah. There's a security camera in here. It's right in front of me.
I know.
Yeah, right there.
Watch this. You can select LL from the keypad.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Screens are very hard to see on the...
Yeah. This is it. Country Club Towers and Gardens.
Okay. Should we go back up to the top floor and video there?
Nah.
We're stopping on 12. Probably picking up the delivery guy.
Hello again.
Guys going down?
Yep.
We just
Flying the elevator up and down?
Yeah, we explore buildings, see interesting elevators. It's kind of our hobby. Sam's been here a few different times, and he told me he'd take me to see this one. So. We know a lot of people in different places. A couple people around this area too, in the main tower. So.
Take care.
Oh,
but you're going to
down.
one.
I'm going to one.
It's our bad.
And don't worry, we're not getting you on video.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Take care.
Thank you, too.
Oh, dude, look how far you can see all the way up.
Oh,
You can see the other one going.
Oh, nice.
All right, well, let's let her on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have psychic powers.
Excellent.